guys, sorry for the really random intro again, but I'm editing the Amsterdam vlog and I did not film an intro or an outro. Are we surprised? No, we are not. If you are new to my channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I have all of my Europe videos coming out really soon. So yeah, let's go. Hello you guys, currently in Amsterdam. I have the sorest throat, so I have a cup of tea. I also don't feel great. There's someone staring at me. Hi. I don't feel great and I don't look great because I really need to wash my hair. But I had to get to the Anne Frank Museum quite early this morning. So far, having a good time, but I'm not gonna lie, yesterday I had the worst day of my life. Well, not my life, that's a bit dramatic. But I feel better now. So I'm currently walking to Jordan, which I don't even know what that is. I saw it on TikTok. That's literally how I've been finding everywhere in every city things that I want to do. Walk around Amsterdam. Apparently it's not that big, and just see what I find, and then tomorrow I can have a proper plan. There are things that I want to do in Amsterdam, but I don't know where they are. So I'm just gonna get my bearings today. I'm trying to get my bearings and honestly it's kind of been hard. So I've decided I'm just going to put in maps all of the places that I wanted to go to and just walk to them rather than just walking around because I'm getting lost. So yeah, I've decided I'm gonna go to a chocolate covered strawberry store first. I've honestly been FaceTiming my mum, but I'm about to go to the sex museum, which is quite awkward because I'm by myself, but I'm excited and I found the nice part of Amsterdam and the park that I really like. So I'm really happy because I'm not gonna lie, I was starting to lose faith. I still feel really sick, which isn't good, but I'm okay. Hello you guys, I am currently in Amsterdam. I'm in my hostel. I had the full day here today and I got here yesterday night and I didn't really vlog anything yesterday. I didn't vlog anything yesterday. Today I vlogged a little bit but not a lot. I didn't do much talking for a lot of reasons. Basically, I think I said this already, yesterday I literally had the worst day. Anything that could have gone wrong went wrong. Why is this not focusing? And then today I was just trying to actually give Amsterdam some credit and not be biased against it. But anyway, I had a pretty good day today. I finally washed my hair because it was so gross and I feel so much better now. I'm in the hostel, no one's here. I'm not gonna lie, when I first got to Amsterdam I was like, I don't like it here. Then I got my groundings and I figured out the nice parts of Amsterdam and not even the nice parts, but I figured out the actual part of Amsterdam. I don't know where I was when I first got here. But yeah, this hostel is really nice. I think I like this one better than the last hostel. It's way more modern kind of, and huge. It's literally huge. They have cooler facilities in some aspects, which I'll explain to you guys later. But the kitchen is a lot shitter. You have to pay for coffee and tea, which sucks because I need tea. Yeah, that's the kind of thing I don't like about it. The shower is also really weird. It's not on a slant, so the water just literally floods. But other than that, really cool. And there's a lift. I think that's why I like it better. I'm planning my days for the next few days and I will keep you guys updated on the hostel life. I just thought I would put this in here and explain. I did the Anne Frank Museum today. I did the Sex Museum today, which I didn't vlog either or because I don't think that you don't think you can take photos in Anne Frank, and I just felt like that's not really something to vlog. Sex Museum, I'm not going to put that on the internet, but that was really cool. I went to the red light district, which I wanted to do in the day because mum told me not to go at night. What else did I do today? Oh, I got chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah. Guys, hair is washed. I feel so much better because my hair is washed, but I don't know if I said already, but I think I'm sick. Well, I am sick. I have a really sore throat and a really runny nose, so that's why I'm kind of having a chill night again tonight. Plus it's literally so bright outside, you guys. Fun fact about Europe in the summertime, I'll show you guys the view from my window. in the summertime, the sun doesn't set till like after 10 p.m. at night. So it's currently 10 minutes to 10 p.m. and it's like still sunny. Like the sun's just going down now. I thought I would give you a little hostel room tour. I'll show you guys the full hostel tomorrow morning actually. Oh my god, imagine someone comes in as I'm filming this. There's the door that you come in from. Actually, I'll just turn the light on. That's probably smarter. Okay, there's me. So there's the door that you come in from. In here we have a toilet. So this actual hostel has an ensuite, which my last one didn't. So that's really good. I probably paid more for that and I don't even know. I don't really know, to be honest. We have lockers for everyone except my lock. I literally been trying to open this for like an hour because like the lock's really weird. We've all struggled, like everyone in here, to open the locks. Like these are really dodgy. But anyway, as you walk in, I'll put you guys on big mode so you can see. So here is the shower in there. It's really nice. The only thing is it's not level, like it's not it doesn't go down, so this all like floods. So there's literally that in here, so they must know that it floods, because why else would they have that in here? So yeah, I'm not gonna like film other people's stuff because I feel like that's kind of rude, but I'm basically down here. There's bunk beds. There's only 4 of us in here, which is great. Still not feeling great this morning, but I feel like I'm getting my stuff together now that I'm like organized. Tomorrow I booked to go to the movies, which I feel like people will probably like, you're in a foreign country, why are you going to the movies? 1, it's gonna rain tomorrow. 2, Amsterdam isn't that big. Like I think I walked the whole of Amsterdam like city today and like saw the things that I wanted to see. 3, I love the movies. Fun fact to be, it's literally my favorite place ever, and there's new movies out that I haven't seen. I haven't seen Top Gun, I haven't seen Thor, I haven't seen Jurassic Park, I haven't seen the Minion movie. There's literally so many movies out that I haven't seen, and I'm like, I refuse not to see them. So I'm seeing Jurassic Park tomorrow, and there's a really cool theater in Amsterdam. I don't know how to say it, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Also, I don't smoke weed or any of that. No judgment to anyone that does, or anyone that comes to Amsterdam to do that. That's pretty common, to be honest. So like that's my downtime. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm really excited to do that. I also think I'm gonna go to the chocolate factory tomorrow because that sounds so fun to me. But yeah, while I'm in Amsterdam, Spain, because that's my next location, and Croatia, because that's the one after that, I'm trying to save as much money as I can, because they're like the countries that I don't have like heaps of like restaurants that I want to try, because something about me is I love trying restaurants that I've seen, and like that's like stuff that I really enjoy. So like in London, for instance, there was heaps of restaurants and cafes that I wanted to try, and I spent more money, and they were obviously more expensive, so I spent more money. Whereas while I'm here, there's not as much like there wasn't any restaurants or anything that I want to try. There's like one cafe that I want to try, which I'm going to try on like my last day here. So I have been cooking in every night. So I've made pasta every single night that I've been here, well literally 2 nights, and it's actually been really good. I'll actually film my pasta tomorrow and like me cooking if there's no one in there tomorrow, and I'll show you guys like what it's like living in a hostel and stuff. I've been making my breakfast every morning. I've been having porridge, and I really want to make my lunches as well, like make up sandwiches and stuff, so I'm not having to buy lunch. But I think I'm going to start doing that in Spain, because I've only got like 2 more days left here. I feel like it's not going to be worth it if I buy like a loaf of bread, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm kind of doing that to like save a bit of money. Guys, good morning. I've woken up and literally no one is in my hostel, so I don't even know if like I slept here by myself last night. I'm not even sure, but woken up feeling worse than yesterday, which is great. I thought I would sleep it off, so maybe I'll sleep it off tonight, but I'm not gonna let it stop me. I'm gonna go down and have some breakfast, because I've just taken heaps of like medication, like cold and flu medication, so I feel like I need food in me. So I have my porridge packet all squished, so I'm gonna go. Oh, I had a booger in that. I'm so sorry guys, I'm just a little congested. So yeah, today's gonna be a chill day. I don't want to make myself feel guilty about like not getting up and seizing the day. Is someone coming? I honestly saw a lot of Amsterdam yesterday, and I'm definitely going to do more tomorrow. And I am going to go out in a second. I'm just having a slower morning because all my other mornings have been like really busy. Guys, this is my room, and you just put all your little code in here. But this is going to be really awkward if someone comes. So I'm on the 3rd floor. So this is like the main area / common area. There's the reception to your right, and you keep walking down. They have all like heaps of like chairs and stuff, and there's a cafe and stuff down there. When you walk down these stairs, this is where like the kitchen area is and where everyone sits. And there's a bar. Hey guys, this is the kitchen. There's like people everywhere. It's super small, this kitchen. So I'm back from breakfast. Honestly, the tea helped my throat a lot. I know literally it's gonna start hurting again in like 5 seconds. But I want to make the most of my time. I'm gonna put on some makeup. I'm going to the movies today, which I'm excited about. I feel better. Yesterday I was feeling a little bit down, but I think it was just because I needed to speak to someone, and I'm literally so fortunate and like lucky that my mum basically works from home, because she's been able to, I mean, every time that I've been calling her, it's like really early in the morning, like 6 in the morning, or like after work hours anyway, so I haven't really been calling her during work. But she's always there to FaceTime me, so she's honestly been amazing. I wish I could FaceTime some other people, like my sister. I FaceTimed her actually a few times, but she works like at school, so I can't FaceTime her during the day. But I might actually try and FaceTime her tonight, maybe. I'll have a look. I haven't really FaceTimed Carly. I FaceTimed her once, but I don't really know her work schedule, so that kind of sucks because I would love to speak to her. But yeah, I think I just have to like stay connected. A notification saying cleaners are coming in to wash the windows. Not sure, so I want to get ready and go basically. Not gonna let this sickness rule me. Also, it's not COVID. I just felt like making sure everyone knows that. I'm up and ready. I don't even know if my outfit like works, but I'm just gonna go because the people need to get into the room and I told them to wait. Well, they asked if they could wait, so I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet and then leave. Guys, it is 11:12 and I've finally made it out of the hostel. Honestly, I'm proud of myself considering how shit I felt. Why is the lighting so bad this way? How shit I felt this morning. All those people behind me, that was embarrassing. Please never do that again. I'm walking right now. I'm gonna catch the ferry and then I'm gonna get a few snacks from the supermarket that I think are from Amsterdam, and we'll try them. I think I'm gonna try them on TikTok though, so make sure you watch my TikTok if you guys want to see me trying them. And I'm going to try my hardest to actually show you it properly today, because if you want to come to Amsterdam, you need to know. I'm not sure what this river is called. My hotel's on the other side, so you have to take these 2 ferries to get to the other side, which they're free and they literally go every 5 minutes. Am I going to make this one? Let's have a look. Oh no, I'm not going to make it. So I'll just wait for this one that's coming off. So yeah, like literally that's how far it has to travel just to the other side. It's so quick. So I just got off the ferry that's over there. Walking down the streets of Amsterdam, look how pretty that is. I wish it was a better day, but I think tomorrow's going to be a lot nicer. And that is all for part 1 of this video. I decided to split these videos up, so part 2 will be my next video, so make sure to check that out.